Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Do you want to know how I make this Ogbolo soup? Please watch to the end, okay? If you are my new subscriber, you are welcome. My returning subscriber, you are welcome. Right now, I want to blend my Ogbolo seed. And if you have not been washing your Ogbolo seed before cooking it, watch how to wash Ogbolo seed on my channel. I have a video there. Okay, I wash it and I'm blending it like this. How come? You have to watch the video so that you know how I achieved this. I'm adding pepper, dried pepper. You can add any amount pepper according to your choice. Right now I'm adding palm oil. I'm just going to mix it together. Here is my crayfish, blended crayfish. I just added palm oil. Mix it very well. That is it. I'm going to melt it a little on the fire. Shaki beef and fish. I added little onion and I added 3 seasoning cubes. Little thyme. I'm adding water to boil the meat. And cover it to boil. The meat is ready. I took it off the water. Now I'm adding my Ogbolo into the boiling water on the fire. I'm adding water because the Ogbolo is too thick. The soup is too thick, so I have to add more water. Stir it very well so that there will be no trace of lump. Here is the meat and shaki. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use chicken. You can use goat meat. Any meat of your choice, okay? Have you liked my video? Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified by YouTube. Please help me share this video. Fish. Stir it gently so that the fish will not scatter. Can you see that? Look at my Ogbolo soup. Who will ever believe that you can wash Ogbolo seed and the soup will still come out like this? So I would recommend that video for you, how to wash and dry ogbolo seed before blending it. And there's something I would like to show you at the end of the video. Please watch to the end. It is very important we wash ogbolo seed before blending. My soup is ready. Look at that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please watch other videos on my channel and help me share. If you have not liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Have you washed ogbolo seed before? Let me know at the comment section. Bye bye.